Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MetaTrader4 once again. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to solving your MetaTrader4, MetaTrader5 issues on iOS, not having your MetaTrader4 or 5 anymore on your iOS devices. You may be hearing the news around that MetaTrader4 or 5 are not being available on the iOS platform anymore for downloads. Yes, it's actually true, but you don't have reason or cause to panic. I'm here to helping you guys. All right. So actually, if you search for MetaTrader4 or MetaTrader5, you see what's popping up. Initially, you have MetaTrader as a face app that is going to pop up here when you do search it. So you don't have cause to panic. I'm here to helping you guys to solving this problem. All right. All you just need to do is share, like, and click on the subscribe button of our channel so to getting more educational tricks and tips like this concerning your forex journey. All right. So let's dive into the main business of the day. Okay, actually, like here you can see I already have my MetaTrader5 installed on my phone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete it off my app. I'm gonna delete it off my phone. Okay, so here's how to go about it, guys. Just go to your app store, click on your app store. Just go to your app store, click on your app store. Your app store is gonna open just like mine. Check on the top right hand corner of your app store. You're going to see a circle there. That circle comes by, probably could be your image there or any image or something, but it's actually a circle at the top right hand corner of your iPhone, of your phone. All right, so you're going to see a circle there, which is actually your iCloud profile. So just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open. You're going to see purchase, subscriptions, notifications. So you click on purchased. All right, these are okay, and it's going to open just like mine. It's going to show the recent apps that you have currently on your phone and the ones that you have downloaded before or initially. All right, so here all you just need to do is scroll down. You'll find your MetaTrader somewhere around inside there. That's actually if you have downloaded your MetaTrader 4 or 5 for your phone before. Okay, you're going to find it on your phone here if you do scroll down, or better still, to make it easier, just click on the search bar, type in MetaTrader. All right, so you see MetaTrader has popped up on my phone. So my MetaTrader4 and MetaTrader5 has popped up because I've downloaded them initially. So even with this new law or restriction of MetaTrader4 and 5 not being available, if you have downloaded them for your iOS platforms before on initial times, okay, you can always get them back through this platform. You can always get them back through this method that I'm showing you guys. So all you just need to do is click on the download icon there to re-download it back to your phone. Okay, so like mine, you see it's trying to download right now. Yes, it's currently downloading. There is still another cheat or another way. Let's say you're actually new to forex or new to trading and you wish to download it on your phone. All you just need to do is just get someone else's iCloud login. Just get the family or friend to help you log in his or her iCloud on your own phone. All right, on your own phone. Then just go through the same process like I just did. Then come to this same place. Then when you get to this purchase where you have list of that person's app, just click on not on this iPhone. Then search for MetaTrader. All right. Search for MetaTrader and it's gonna pop up here, and you can now download. That's the other way around to going for it. If actually you haven't, let's say you're a newbie, you're new to forex trading and you haven't downloaded MetaTrader4 or 5 before on your phone, just get someone's consent of his iCloud login to your own new device, which is your phone. Okay, then go through the same process just like I did. Then rather you click on, not on this iPhone, search for MetaTrader. It's going to pop up and you click on download. So let's go back. Our MetaTrader 4 is done downloading. So let's open it. All right, allow, let's open it. So voila, MetaTrader 4 is back on our phone, as you can see. So you're back. This is a plain chart of how MetaTrader 4 looks like. So you just come here, you know how to log in. Click on the plus icon there at the top left right hand corner and log in your old or existing account. Deriv. If you are trading with Deriv, oh, actually you don't have Deriv here. Okay, Infinux is my official broker for. So just come here, search for your broker. Just come here, search for your broker, and you get back to trading. All right, so you don't have to pay somebody or get scammed to paying somebody on how to download your MetaTrader. We're always here to helping you guys navigating around your trading journey or anything. Okay, so this is actually how it's been done. You can select your pays in pay GDP, USD, Euro USD. So you now have your MetaTrader 4 back on your phone, just like I just did. I can still click on it again, and voila, it's open. Everything is working fine. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like us to continue posting more tips and tricks like this concerning forex trading as a whole, you do well to for you to continue liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Thanks for your support and remain blessed. Keep trusting the process. This is Admire FX once again. Ciao.